right? All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the windmill. I feel like you guys are picking it up, the stab really good. You guys all have a decent backspin. You guys gotta keep, look at me here now in the video. You guys gotta just keep practicing the backspin and the stab, okay? So there's one other thing we haven't learned, it's called a pop, okay? But I'm gonna teach it to you through the windmill, okay? So the windmill is 3 steps. Hold your question. The windmill is 3 steps. It's backspin, and then it's stab, backspin, pop, stab. Okay, everybody say backspin.
Backspin.
Pop, stab. So here's all the steps, okay? So backspin is kick, spin. Everybody say kick, spin, pop, stab. Those are the 4 steps. So I started what? Scissor freeze, right? Kick, spin, right? Pop off of your what?
Shoulder and head.
Shoulder and head. I'm going to cheat here and use my leg, and you can do this in the beginning, okay? And but I got to keep my head down. Don't just get up like this. Don't do it like that. Shoulder, head, and then you're going to go straight into the what?
Stab.
Okay? I'm going to roll up onto the stab here. Okay? And then I do slip. Everybody say slip. I slip on my shoulder here. Boom. Shoulder, and then what? Kick. What else?
Spin.
And then?
Stab.
No, I don't stop.
Pop.
Pop first. Off of my what?
Pop. Shoulder and
Head. Pop, and then what?
Stab.
Then what? Slip on my what?
Elbow.
No, not on my elbow.
You want
Shoulder. And my head. Slip. And then kick. And then what's next?
Spin.
And then?
Pop. Stab.
Pop. Stab.
Slip.
Okay? And then I'm going to do it. Okay? So if I do this all together, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay? Kick, spin, pop, stab, slip. Kick, spin, pop, stab, slip. And you do it over and over, and that equals a windmill. Okay? So watch it, then you can ask questions. I'll take your questions, Jackson, all right? So kick, spin, pop, stab, slip.
That's very loud.
What do you say?
That's very loud.
Yeah, it is. All right, so that's the windmill. Okay. Boom. You can go into different things here. All right.
Have you been knowing that